The wait is over, guys. Finally, yes. Hello everyone, this is Emily. क्या हाल है? So guys, आज मैं एक ट्रेलर रिएक्शन करने जा रही हूँ. Guess, it's मिर्जापुर 2. So guys, let's watch. I mean, हम सब इस ट्रेलर के लिए बहुत सदियों से इंतजार कर चुके and I don't want to waste any time. So अभी तक मैंने नहीं देखा पूरा, like I have not watched the trailer yet, like not even for once. So that basically let's watch. So watching on my phone, and here I go. Okay, so it's by Amazon Prime Videos and Mirzapur season 2. So let's watch. Oh my god, nice cover. Let's watch.
जो आया है वो जाएगा भी, बस मर्जी हमारी होगी. गद्दी पे चाहे हम रहें या मुन्ना, नियम सेम होगा.
और हम एक नया नियम ऐड कर रहे हैं. मिर्जापुर की गद्दी पे बैठने वाला कभी भी नियम बदल सकता है.
कुट्टू पंडित वापस आ गए, वो जाएंगे नहीं. अगली बार दुश्मन हाथ लगा तो बचेगा नहीं.
पापा की विरासत ये तो नहीं हो सकती ना कि दो लौंडे बीच चुराए तो उन्हें मार के चले जाए.
तो उसके लिए तो मिर्जापुर लेना होगा ना.
आप ही का मन था ना कि आपकी बेटी मिर्जापुर पे राज करे. बड़ी ना सही, छोटी करेगी.
मुख्यमंत्री जी, हम पर्सनली आपका वोटिंग परसेंटेज बढ़वाएंगे
तो हमारे पार्टी की छवि
वो भी ठीक हो जाएगी.
बिहार में आपका स्वागत है.
दद्दा त्यागी बहुत बड़े आदमी, बड़ा दबदबा है उनका.
शेर के मुंह को खून लग चुका.
शेर की उम्र ज्यादा है लेकिन बूढ़ा नहीं हुआ है वो.
तुम्हारे दद्दा है जब लेने जाते हैं तो सीढ़ी लगती होगी या खुद ही चढ़ जाते हैं?
दद्दा होते एक मिनट में तुम्हारी माँ चुद देते. अभी
सीढ़ी तो उसके लिए भी लगती होगी.
ममलू स्वीटी का उधार है, हम पे चुकाना है.
अब हमको बदला भी लेना है और मिर्जापुर भी.
Guys, आपको भी गूज़बम्स आ रहा है क्या मेरी तरह? Like, okay, I'm sweating right now, but oh my god. Honestly बताऊँ तो मिर्जापुर जो first season था, I have watched recently. I mean, you won't believe it, but I've got some time, so I watched on like 2020. चलो कुछ देख लेते हैं. अच्छा, and I got so excited after watching it. Honestly, मैं violence support नहीं करती और I don't watch violence as in like you know fully. So but when I watched Mirzapur, I really liked it क्योंकि there were more elements than violence, and there were like there was love, there were like so many other things that's there, and there was so much like morals that were taught even. So I really liked it, सिवाय थोड़े language problems के. लेकिन yeah, you know, this is like a reality thing that's going on. You can't be expecting you know all this Karan Johar type film ki acha theek hai, no bad language is going to be you know get introduced in up here. So it's not like that. It's like you know जो reality पे होता है, जो असली life में होता है, वही दिखाया जाता है इधर. So I really like that concept, and be it every character, guys. Be it like Golu is my favorite character, to be very honest. Like I really love her, and I just really love her character, like how content she is in all over. Like मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है उनकी character, and I'm going to miss Vikrant Messi this season because I have been a fan of him as well. So इन दोनों को मुझे सबसे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा in मिर्ज़ापुर season 1, but he's not going to be there. So ये बहुत like this is the saddest part. लेकिन all over, if you see the trailer, it looks super exciting. It looks like finally it's here, and अगर wait भी किए तो it's like कोई नहीं, मतलब it is like worth waiting for. So I really like watching the trailer, and I'm really excited for October 23rd. And मैं तो जाके देख रही हूँ guys, honestly. And if you are interested like me and excited like me, so please go and watch the season 2 on Amazon Prime. So guys, I loved it. It's like thumbs up for me. So it's like 10 on 10 for me. मतलब it's like super hit kind of a stuff that's here. So मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा ये trailer, honestly मैं कह रही हूँ. And like wow, and मुझे यही अफसोस हो रहा है कि मैं इतने like it's been already 5 hours since it has been released. So I am really not 5 hours. It's 4:30 right now. So I guess it's been already 4.5 hours. So it's like almost 5 hours. So you know बहुत ही खराब लग रहा है. So but you know what? It's like worth waiting, and since the wait is over finally, and we have watched the trailer, now I really want to watch the season 2. So like the whole series I want to watch it, and bas October 23rd aa jaye and let's watch together. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. I really love that. So yeah, and Mirzapur is also one of those कि reality चीज़ यहाँ पे दिखाया जाता है. So I really love that. Thumbs up for that as well. So yeah, if you're interested like me, go and watch. And yeah, मैं ज़्यादा ही बोल रही हूँ आज थोड़ा. I don't know why. Okay, so yeah, I mean guys, that's what I wanted to say. So if you like my reaction, please do give a thumbs up. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. I really need your support. And also one more thing is that guys, stay safe, because you know it's, I don't know, like although we are a little adapted, लेकिन जब मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ, I am seeing people without mask, and like people are roaming around without masks and all. Some of them, I won't say all of them, some of them are. And so just be careful you guys, and take care of yourself. So yeah, अपने responsibilities को पालन कीजिए करो. And yeah, so okay, I know this Hindi like word, so use it. Okay. And also guys, one more thing is that comment down below what how you felt about this entire video, and share this video if you agree with me. So yeah, this is Amirullah, that bad girl. Bye. Have a great day. Always.